Hi guys, how are you? After a long time, I'm coming back, and from now onwards, I'm uploading every day my YouTube channel based videos and tutorial based videos which is related to the computer different programming languages. This is just basic initial programming language which is HTML. I'm uploading. I want to tell you one thing that here uh, previously I uploaded two HTML based videos. First is HTML, simple HTML format, and then what are the different HTML parts, HTML tags or HTML command we have to use for creating simple web page. So related to that, my previous two videos I uploaded, and from now onwards, from today onwards, I'm uploading every day one video related to the HTML. HTML is very simple language. HTML is a hypertext markup language. That is the full form of HTML, and on that base you can prepare simple websites. And here I'm going to show you how to create heading tags. That first we have to write HTML, then head section that I already explained you before, then title, and I'm writing the title message, welcome to my my YouTube channel. Mahadev coaching class. Then here I'm end with head section, then body section. As I told you, in the body section you can add background, even you can add the images also, but we will use PG color. Now you can create go through the heading section. H1, I'm writing all the state names. Let's see, here I'm giving you the names. Then I'm writing Rajasthan. Same way I'm writing here Maharashtra. Then Gujarat. Then Odisha. Then UP, and last one is Himachal Pradesh. These are the names I already added. Now can see everything clearly. Here finish the heading text. Now end with body section and end with HTML section. Correct. Now you can see I'm going to save this file. In my previous two video also I explained you that when you save file you have to keep in mind two things. First, when you save file, and during that time select a proper path. As I am selecting desktop over here, you can select desktop, document, anything, but I selected desktop. And second thing, when you're writing the file name, after that compulsory you have to use .html. You have to add .html. If you are not adding .html, then your file will be simple HTML file. Is write as a simple HTML file. So compulsory you have to write .html. Again I am show you, when you are writing file name, then after that write .html and click on the save button. Here I already saved the file. I am going to show you file over here. When I am opening it, it will be displayed like this, and you can see it clearly. Here I written the state name, the light blue color which we have given in the background, here I given. Okay, then I written all this state name as a heading, and here the smallest one. So most probably heading tag used for giving a heading of the particular topic, like in your textbook it displays. So these are the things in the HTML, and some of the things we will study next. So keep it online with my YouTube channel, and if you like my content of the tutorials, then subscribe my channel, and I'm going to give you best and better than the best tutorials which you all are understand on easy ways. Thanks a lot. We'll meet again.